Hello everyone, this is my Kopada, a legal internet lexicon company. Today's topic of discussion is generally a part 2 of my earlier video. It's a treatise on the international law. So in last video I have defined the treaty, its kinds of treaties, how treaty is generally formed, and what a treaty, what obligations a treaty, how a treaty impose obligations on the signing parties. So now I'll move ahead and start and discuss about reservation of treaty and third party, and invalidation of treaty, along with termination and suspension of operation of treaties. So what is reservation of treaty? I'll simply state it with an example. Consider when a treaty has seven provisions, and there are five states. One state said that I'll be abiding by all the provisions. Other state said no, I'll be abiding by only three provisions, but I'll be reserving two others for uh, to look into it after some time, or when the time permits. Similar was the statement of other states. So what they are doing, they are reserving those provisions for future perspective. They are not refusing to sign the treaty, or they are not refusing to abide by the treaty, but they are preserving these provisions for future use, so that when the time permits, they'll say yes, now we are ready to we are ready to use those, we are ready to imply these provisions for our nation as well. So this is what we call the reservation. Then we have treaty and third party. Is well established rule that only the signing parties can only the signing parties will be obliged to the rights, to the duties, to the sanctions, or anything that a treaty gives. But this rule do have some exceptions. What these exceptions are? It is under it is under Vienna Convention law of treaties. We have these three. We have these three. We have these three exceptions. First is under Article 34, when the treaty specifically mention it that although although this treaty although this treaty would would although this treaty would be binding on only on the signing parties, but but if the third party consented to it, a third party voluntarily accorded with the treaty, then the treaty would be enforced on the third party consenting to it in the similar way that it applied to the signing parties. So means it's simple that if third party say yes, I am going to sign this, yes, I also agree to this, means it by the accreditation process. So that is then we have article 35. It talks about obligations. It talk about obligations. So when a third party consented to the treaty, then all the obligations arising out of this treaty would be implied in the similar way to it as if it was a signing party or signing member. Then we have article 36. It talks about rights similar to the obligations. If the party if the third state consented accorded to the treaty, that yes, I will abide by it, then all the rights arising from this treaty would be applicable to it in the similar way. But what is presumed in the right in the under article 36 is unless and until the third state um, shows it consent, shows shows it disapproval, shows it disagreement to follow the treaty, till then it will be presumed that they have consented to the rights, unlike obligations where the third state need to put it in the writing that yes, they are to be following the treaty, and they are to be binding themselves with the treaty. For rights it is presumed, their consent are presumed unless they expressively disapprove to it. So this is all about treaty and third party. Then we had invalidation of party. It's simply when when it is not when it is against public policies, or when it is against some general principles of United Nations, then we have this concept of invalidation of treaty. And termination and suspension of treaty, it can be terminated at any time when all the signing members agreed to not agreed to no longer to be binded by it, and they can rebuke back their consent from it. They can rebuke it any time when when they all agree together. So this is all about treaties and under international law. Hope you like this video. Do like, comment, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.